Pray and Slay babes. Oh my gosh, I'm back, y'all. This is beyond me. Okay, y'all, first of all, I just want to give my apologies and my sincere, like, y'all, I'm sorry I went MIA, y'all. Your girl just needed time. Like, I didn't even realize I needed time, but I needed this time. But now it's time to catapult. So how y'all doing? How am I Pray and Slay babes doing? As y'all know, it's your girl SkiWithAnEye coming to you with another video. This one's about to be so lit because I had a ball today. Okay, so let's get into it.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy.
All right, so this is going to be a fun video because today I went to the none other, drum roll, please. Baby, I went to Ulta and they gave me a pretty pink bag, okay? All right, so today is going to be an Ulta haul of just the things that I have gotten, a few products just to spruce up my makeup look because I'm just like, I want to freshen it up. I want to do something a little different. I've been doing the same makeup routine for a long time and now I want to, you know, chisel and contour some more. All right, so we're gonna get into it. I don't think I'm gonna show the look in this video. This is gonna be a quick one, okay? This is gonna be a little quickie, you know, just to get us reacquainted again, okay? So we're gonna get into it. So we're going to start with Laura Mercier, her translucent powder in honey, and also her setting spray. I love them both. Then we have NARS light reflecting foundation, and Tahoe. Of course, you got to do the skincare. This is Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser and Cream. Then we have the Benefits Porefessionals, minimize those pores, baby, yes. e.l.f.'s Power Grip Primer, love it. Yes, can't wait to use it. Too Faced Concealer, y'all know what it does, okay? Then we have our girl Kylie with her plumping lip gloss. I tried it, it's bubbly. I love it already. Can't wait to continue to use it. Then, of course, we have our girl Fenty Beauty coming through with these eyeliners and NARS Climax mascara. Oh, make me climax, yes. Anastasia, you know she comes through with the contour and highlighting stick. And we can't forget Juvia's Place, okay? This is Warrior, yes. This is the eyeshadows palette, and then we also have the blush palette. This is volume 2. Love them both. Then we have Morphe. Okay, Morphe brushes are amazing. This is V115, and also the filter effects, y'all. This concealer here, I can't wait to use either. Love Morphe. Let's go. Then we have the Climaxers. This is the lip definer by Revolution, and we do have the e.l.f, y'all. The e.l.f black eyeliner. This is a classic here that you always need to have in any kit. Love it. Love them all. Can't wait to use them. All right, slaying babes, come on, come through. Like, I'm already calling y'all slaying babes because, like, with those products, y'all run out to Ulta, get what you need. Like, baby. So, y'all, that was the haul. I'm super excited because I know, like, with these products, this beat is about to be, like, okay? I've been wanting to change up my look for a little minute now, and I feel like now I am. So y'all tell me if you've used any of these products or interested in any of these products. Let me know. Tell me which one is your favorite. If you have, drop it down in the comment section. Y'all, I'm so excited to be back. Oh my gosh, look, we're back, honey. We need next video, we need to grab a glass of wine, okay? You know, that's what we need to do. I don't get drunk, I do sip, okay? All right, but for real, sis, come on and pray and slay babes all day. So I will see you all in the next video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. It's your girl SkiWithAnEye. Make sure you subscribe. Love y'all. Oh.